I wanted to find an affordable way to make it a little more cozy outside, and I've always loved those string lights. So I ordered the 100-foot string lights in warm white, and this is what they look like all hung up. It was super easy. I just used the little sticky hooks that are meant for a cement board, and was able to just basically take a ladder around, put up all the hooks, and then the string lights easily go right on there. I would just make sure you kind of pay attention to where the plug is and make that your starting point. These lights are shatterproof, waterproof, windproof, snowproof, which is great. We get a ton of sun back here, and we will get snow too. Funny enough, when I was putting them up, I didn't all the way step on one, but I kind of put a little bit of weight on one, enough where I could completely feel it and start to hear it, and it did not shatter or break. So I was really impressed with that, because that was completely my fault. There's also several different settings, from flash to steady breathe, and you can do 3 hours, 6 hours. This is what some of the different ones look like. The 100-foot string has 35 bulbs. They're approximately spaced out 2.83 feet apart, so just under 3 feet apart. If you're having any trouble resetting your remote or getting your remote to work, go to this troubleshooting section on the instruction manual, and basically what you'll do is you're going to want to hold this on off for more than 30 seconds, and then this right here for 5 seconds. And when I did that, it repaired it, and then everything was working. For example, flash, breathe, regular lighting. Then you can also do your settings, so the 3 hours, 6 hours. You can turn it up, you can turn it down manually. You can also just go to like 50%, 75%, 100%, 25%. So you can definitely adjust it accordingly, and then just turn it off through that.